Hello, it is very warm in this coffee shop. I would like to order a cold drink.
Hello, I am waiting in the line too. The menu is very big today.
I see many types of coffee and tea. I think I want an iced latte.
An iced latte is a great choice. I usually drink black coffee with sugar.
Black coffee is too strong for me. I like my drinks sweet and milky.
That is okay. Everyone likes different things. My name is Tom, by the way.
I am Emma. It is nice to meet you. Do you come to this cafe often?
Yes, I study here every afternoon. The music is very quiet and nice.
I am a teacher and I need to check some tests. I need a big table for my papers.
There is a large table near the window. It has a lot of natural light.
Thank you for the tip, Tom. It is my first time in this neighborhood.
It is a very friendly place with many small shops. You will like it here.
The barista is ready to take our order. Please, you can go first.
Thank you. You were very polite. I will order my coffee quickly.
I am looking at the muffins in the glass case. They look very delicious.
The blueberry muffins are the best in the city. You should try one today.
Okay, I will have one iced latte and one muffin. I am very hungry now.
I will have a large black coffee and a chocolate cookie. Chocolate always helps me study.
I agree. Chocolate makes everything better. How much is the total price?
It is £10 for everything. You can pay with your card here.
I have my card ready in my small purse. The machine is very fast.
Now we need to wait for our names. The barista is writing on the cups.
I like it when they write names on cups. It feels very personal and cute.
I hope they spell my name correctly. Sometimes they write Tim instead of Tom.
My name is easy, but sometimes they write Amy. It is very funny.
Look, your iced latte is ready on the counter. It has a lot of ice.
It looks perfect and very refreshing. I will take some napkins too.
My black coffee is ready now as well. It is very hot, so be careful.
Let's go to that big table you mentioned. I hope it is still empty.
Yes, it is free for us. Let's sit down and enjoy our drinks.
My iced latte is very tasty. The milk is very fresh and cold.
My coffee is very strong and hot. It smells like dark chocolate and nuts.
You have a very big book on the table. Are you a student at the university?
Yes, I study architecture and I draw buildings. It is a very difficult job.
I see your sketches in the notebook. They are very detailed and beautiful.
Thank you. I like to draw old houses. What about you, Emma?
I am an English teacher for young children. I love my job very much.
Teaching children must be very loud and fun. Do they listen to you?
Most of the time they are very good. We sing songs and read stories together.
I like stories, but I prefer drawing them. I use my pencil to tell a tale.
That is a very creative way to think. I use my voice and my books.
I have an exam next week about history. I need to read many pages today.
I can help you if you have questions. I know a lot about historical facts.
That is very kind of you, Emma. History is my weakest subject at school.
We can study together for 30 minutes. I finished checking my students' tests.
That would be amazing and very helpful. Can we start with the ancient period?
Of course, that is my favorite part. The ancient buildings were very strong.
Yes, they used a lot of stone and marble. I want to visit Rome one day.
Rome is a beautiful city with many statues. You will find much inspiration there.
I want to take my notebook and draw everything. The arches are very famous there.
I visited Rome 2 years ago with my family. The weather was very hot and sunny.
Did you see the Colosseum in the center? It is a very iconic building.
Yes, it is very large and impressive. I took many photos of the walls.
I prefer drawing because it is slower. I can feel the shape of the stone.
You are a true artist, Tom. I can see the passion in your eyes.
And you are a true teacher. You explain things very clearly and simply.
Thank you. That is a very nice compliment. I try my best for everyone.
Let's look at this page about the pyramids. They are very mysterious.
They were built for the kings of Egypt. They are thousands of years old.
It is incredible that they are still standing. Architecture is a long story.
The cafe is becoming very crowded now. Many people are coming inside.
It is the lunch break for the offices. People want their afternoon coffee.
I hear the sound of the milk machine. It is very loud but rhythmic.
I like the busy atmosphere of the city. It makes me feel very active.
I prefer quiet places when I am tired. Today, I have a lot of energy.
My chocolate cookie is very crunchy and sweet. Would you like a piece?
No, thank you. I have my muffin. The blueberries are very big and juicy.
I can see the blue color on your napkin. It looks like a little painting.
You see art in everything, Tom. You are very observant.
It is a habit from my drawing classes. We must look at every small detail.
Look at that man with the big dog. Is the dog allowed inside?
Yes, this cafe is friendly for pets. The dog is very calm and quiet.
He is a golden retriever, I think. His fur is very shiny and soft.
I want to draw the dog's face. He has a very kind expression today.
You can draw him while he is sleeping. He is lying down under the table.
That is a great idea, thank you. I will use my soft pencil for his fur.
I will write a short story about the dog. He is a traveler in my head.
Maybe he is looking for a lost bone. Or maybe he wants a muffin too.
Every dog wants a muffin, I am sure, but it is not healthy for them.
You are right. Pets need special food. We must be responsible owners.
Do you have any pets at your home? I have a small cat named Luna.
I have no pets because my apartment is small. I want a big dog in the future.
A big dog needs a big garden to play. You should buy a house one day.
That is my dream as an architect. I want to build my own house.
What color will your house be, Tom? I like white and yellow houses.
I want a house made of wood and glass. It will have many windows.
That sounds very modern and bright. I love natural light in a room.
Light is the most important part of a home. It makes people feel happy.
My classroom has very big windows too. The children love to look at the garden.
Nature is very beautiful in the spring. I see flowers through the cafe window.
Let's go back to your history book. We need to learn about the kings.
Okay, I am ready for the next lesson. Who was the most famous king?
There were many, but King Arthur is a great legend. He had a round table.
A round table is good for talking. Everyone is equal at a round table.
Exactly. That was the main idea of his group. They were very brave.
Did they live in a big stone castle? I love drawing castles.
Yes, the castles had tall towers and deep moats. They were very safe.
I want to design a modern castle one day. It will have a library.
A library is essential for every good home. I have many books.
My books are mostly about art and design. They have many pictures.
I have many novels and poetry books. I love the sound of words.
Can you read a small poem for me? I want to hear a teacher's voice.
I have a book of poems in my bag. Let me find a short one.
I am listening very carefully to your voice. The cafe is a bit quieter now.
The sun is bright, the sky is blue, the day is new for me and you.
That is very simple, but very sweet. I like the rhythm of the lines.
It is a poem for my young students. It helps them learn new words.
I think I can learn from it too. English is not my first language.
You speak very well, Tom. Do not worry. Your grammar is very good.
I practiced a lot with my friends from the university. They are from London.
Practice is the best way to be perfect. You are a very fast learner.
Thank you. I try to speak every day. I listen to English songs too.
Music is a great teacher for new vocabulary. What is your favorite song?
I like jazz music without many words. It helps me focus on my drawing.
Jazz is very relaxing and elegant for a cafe. It fits this place perfectly.
Look at the sun on the floor. It is moving towards the door.
The afternoon is going by very quickly. We studied for a long time.
I feel much better about my exam now. You are a miracle worker.
I am just a teacher who likes to help. I am glad you feel good.
I should buy you another drink for your help. Would you like a tea?
I would like a green tea, thank you. It is very healthy and light.
I will get it for you right now. I will take a water for myself.
You are very kind, Tom. Thank you. I am waiting here at the table.
Here is your hot green tea. Be careful, the cup is very warm.
It smells like grass and summer. It is very pleasant. Do you have any other hobbies besides reading and teaching?
I like to go to the cinema on weekends. I love old movies.
I like movies too, especially science fiction films. They have great designs.
Science fiction is a bit scary for me. I prefer romantic comedies.
Comedies are good because they make you laugh. Laughing is good for health.
I also like to cook dinner for my friends. I make a great pasta.
I am a very bad cook. I only make toast. My sister is the chef.
You should learn one simple recipe for a party. It is very fun.
Maybe you can teach me a recipe one day. Is pasta difficult?
No, it is very easy and fast to make. You just need tomatoes and cheese.
I love cheese very much, especially on pizza. Pizza is my favorite food.
Everyone loves pizza. It is a global language too. We can eat it together.
That is a great idea for our next meeting. I know a good pizza place.
Is it near the university or near the park? I like the park area.
It's right across from the park entrance. It has a very old oven.
An old oven makes the best crust. I can almost taste the pizza now.
We are talking about food too much. We are always hungry.
It is because we are working very hard today. Our brains need food.
I am finishing my drawing of the dog now. Do you want to see it?
Yes, please show me your work. I am very curious about it. Here is the sleeping dog under the table. I used a lot of shadows.
It is amazing, Tom. He looks so real and very peaceful.
Thank you. I will give this drawing to the man with the dog.
That is a very beautiful gesture. He will be very happy and surprised.
I like to make people smile with my art. It is a good feeling.
The man is leaving the cafe now. You should go to him quickly.
Wait a moment. I am coming back. Excuse me, sir.
I can see them through the window. The man is looking at the drawing.
I am back. He was very happy, and he said thank you many times.
That was very sweet of you, Tom. You have a very kind heart.
He said his dog's name is Barnaby. It is a very funny name.
Barnaby the Traveler. My story now has a real name for the hero.
We are both creators in this cafe today. It was a very productive day.
I must go home now to prepare for my classes tomorrow.
I need to go back to my apartment and sleep. My head is full.
Good luck with your architecture exam on Monday, Tom.
Thank you, Emma. I am not nervous anymore because of your help.
You are a smart student. I'm sure you will get an A.
I hope so. Can we meet here again next Saturday morning?
Saturday at 10 o'clock is perfect for me. I love morning coffee.
Great. I will bring my new sketchbook and some more cookies.
And I will bring a new poem and my pasta recipe for you.
I am looking forward to our next coffee and study session.
It was a pleasure to meet you today, Tom. Have a nice evening.
It was a pleasure for me too, Emma. Take care of yourself.
I'm putting my pens and papers in my bag now.
I am closing my big book and my drawing album.
The sky is becoming orange and pink outside. It is a sunset.
The city looks very beautiful in this light. I want to draw it.
You should go and draw the sunset from the bridge.
I will do that right now. Thank you for the inspiration, Emma.
Goodbye, Tom. See you next week at our big table.
Goodbye, Emma. Have a safe walk to your home.
I am waving my hand at the door of the coffee shop.
I am waving back with my pencil. See you soon.